Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Chime's financial insight and education resources. Let's get straight into the video. First off, accessing this financial resources, all you got to do is to log into your Chime mobile app on your mobile device, and then just tap home in the bottom navigation bar. And then you want to scroll down to find your financial insights, including spending summaries, income summaries, budgeting analysis, and saving goals progress. To access the educational resources, all you got to do is tap learn in the bottom navigation bar, and then choose from various financial education topics such as budgeting and savings. You got investing and retirement. There's also credit and debt, and you also have financial planning and goals. Now you can access informative articles, guides, tutorials to help you to improve your financial literacy. Now, to use financial tools and calculator, just tap tools in the bottom navigation bar, and then select from various financial tools such as savings goals calculator, budgeting calculator, you have a credit score simulator, and there's also a retirement savings calculator. Just enter your financial data and use the tool or calculator to get personalized insights and recommendations. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Chime's financial insights and education resources. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.